Yeah, you in for another edition of Car Hustle with Big Herc. And like I said, I was going to get the interior done on the Corvette. Well, the interior is done. I'll give you another shot of it, but as you can see, the dash, the door panels, the seats, all has been done. And I'm in traffic right now, about to take the car to get dropped off so I can sell it. I got a person I usually work with that helps me sell my old school, so I'm heading to his little spot so I can drop the car off. But I've been on the road for about an hour and some change. As you can see, the car isn't running hot. All the gauges are good. And you know, this 69 Vet is doing its thing. You know, it's handling business. Driving through these little canyon roads, it actually handles decent, so it's not real bad like most old schools. And you know, I've gotten a lot of thumbs up in this car on the way here. But it's definitely a fun car, and you know, I'm gonna miss it. You know, maybe eventually I'll get me another one, but I have too many other projects on my plate right now to keep it, so I gotta keep the money rolling. But it should definitely be a good flip. It gets a lot of attention, and you know, there's a lot of Corvette fans out there for the 69 Vet. You know, it's 383 stroker in it. It has a nice little cam in it and a nice little rumble. And the car actually gets pretty good gas mileage for what it is. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little driving update in the car. And once I get here, I'll take a few around the body shots again and some interior shots so you can see, you know, just how much was done compared to the first video. But yeah, the car's running good, man. It's a fun ride for sure. I'm dropping off the 69 Vet, like I mentioned earlier. I want to give you another peek of the interior. Some door panels from corduroy to some nice original vinyl. Dash, seats, carpet, headliner. Did a good job on it. One more look at this motor. 383 stroker. Nothing like a Chevy. Heading through the canyons in the 1969 Corvette that I showed you guys from the first video. As you see, I had the interior restored. I had some brake work done, some suspension work. Everything's pretty much stock, but as far as suspension and brakes goes, but the car does handle decent through the canyons. It's not as much body roll as I thought it would be. You know, I've driven a lot of old cars, and a lot of old cars give you a lot more body roll, but this Vet seems to have a pretty tight stock suspension for a 69. So, you know, it's Saturday, and it's always nice to get out here in the mornings and admire nature and go for a little cruise. It's going to be up for sale for $28,500 or for rent, you know, for special occasions or that special date with that special someone. So you can hit us up at freshhouseseries@gmail.com if you want to make an offer on the car, or if you want to rent the car for a video, let me know. The car is good to go. We won't have any issues with it. Look at this. Look at this view out here. Doesn't get any better than this in Southern California.